Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Comprehensive Care Guide. Introduction. Welcome to our in-depth care guide for the rubber plant, also known as Ficus elastica. This striking indoor plant is loved for its large glossy leaves and robust growth. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your rubber plant thriving, from light and temperature needs to propagation and common issues. Let's get started. Light requirements. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light. While they can tolerate lower light conditions, their growth will slow down, and the leaves may lose some of their vibrant color. Avoid placing your plant in direct sunlight, as this can scorch the leaves. A location near a north or east-facing window with filtered light is ideal. Temperature and humidity. Rubber plants thrive in temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. They are not frost-tolerant, so keep them away from cold drafts, windows during winter, and air conditioning vents. For humidity, they do well in average household humidity, but will appreciate a slight increase, especially in dry winter months. Use a humidifier or place a tray of water and pebbles near the plant to boost humidity. Soil mix. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for rubber plants. You can create an ideal mix using 2 parts peat moss or coco coir for moisture retention, 1 part pine bark for aeration, 1 part perlite or coarse sand for drainage. This combination ensures the roots get enough air and prevents water from sitting around the roots, which can cause rot. Watering. The key to watering rubber plants is balance. They prefer to be kept moist, but not soggy. Water the plant thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ensure excess water drains out to prevent root rot. During the growing season, spring and summer, you might need to water more frequently. In the fall and winter, reduce watering as the plant's growth slows down. Fertilizing. During the growing season, feed your rubber plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks. This will provide the necessary nutrients for robust growth. In the fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilizing as the plant enters a period of slower growth. Pruning is essential to maintain the shape and size of your rubber plant. Trim any leggy growth and cut back to just above a leaf node to encourage branching. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to keep the plant looking its best. Regular pruning helps promote a fuller, bushier plant. Propagating rubber plants is relatively straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Select a healthy stem. Choose a healthy stem with at least a few leaves. Make a cut. Cut just below a node, the point where leaves attach to the stem. Allow to callus. Let the cutting sit for a few hours to a day to allow the cut end to callus over. Rooting medium. Place the cutting in water or a well-draining potting mix. If using water, change it regularly to keep it fresh. Care. Keep the soil or water consistently moist until roots develop, usually in a few weeks. Repotting. Repot your rubber plant. Every 1-2 years or when it outgrows its pot. Choose a pot that is 1-2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Here's how. Prepare the new pot. Ensure it has drainage holes and fill it partially with fresh potting mix. Remove the plant. Gently remove the plant from its old pot, being careful not to damage the roots. Loosen the roots. Tease apart any circling roots to encourage outward growth. Place in new pot. Position the plant in the new pot and fill around it with soil, pressing lightly to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly. Water the plant well to settle the soil. Common problems and solutions. Yellow leaves, often a sign of overwatering. Allow the soil to dry out more between waterings. Dropping leaves can be caused by sudden changes in light or temperature, underwatering or overwatering. Ensure consistent care. Pests, spider mites, mealybugs, and scale can be an issue. Treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil and regularly inspect the plant. Additional tips: cleaning leaves. Dust can accumulate on the large leaves, blocking light and reducing photosynthesis. Wipe the leaves regularly with a damp cloth. Rotating the plant. Rotate your plant periodically to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning towards the light source. Support. Larger plants might need staking or support to prevent them from toppling over. Benefits and uses. Air purification. Rubber plants are excellent at purifying indoor air, removing toxins like formaldehyde. Aesthetic appeal. Their bold, glossy leaves add a touch of elegance and greenery to any indoor space, making them a popular decorative plant. Caring for a rubber plant can be incredibly rewarding. With the right light, watering, and occasional pruning, your plant can thrive and grow for many years, becoming a stunning focal point in your home. Follow these tips, and you'll have a happy, healthy rubber plant.